Hello everyone, myself Smita Ghosh from Smita's Mathematica. Today we solve JEE Main Shift 1, 16th of March 2021 question. Question number 13. A vector root 3 I cap plus j cap is rotated by an angle of 45 degree by an angle 45 degree in anti-clockwise direction. After rotation, a new vector is formed, alpha I cap plus beta j cap. Then find the area formed by 0 0 comma 0 beta and alpha beta. Is 4 options are given. So this is the question in the house of vector, and it's a memory based question, and regular wise solution is provided. So now let's draw the picture at first. So this is the two axes, x and y axis. So this is x axis and y axis. So now this is the vector z1. So here is the angle. This one is 30 degree. So this one is 30 degree, and its coordinate is root 3 comma 1. After rotation, so it is the angle of rotation pi by 4. So here is the angle of rotation, it is 45 degree, and this is the new vector is formed, this is z2. So after rotation the new vector is formed, so its coordinate is alpha comma beta. So now here from this picture, z1 is equal to, we know, 2 into e to the power I into pi by 6. So now z2 is equal to z1 into e to the power I pi by 4. So let's put the value z1. So it is 2 into e to the power I into pi by 6 into e to the power I pi by 4. So that is equal to 2 into e to the power I into 5 pi by 12. Now the value this become so it is 2 into root 3 minus 1 by 2 root 2 plus iota root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So this one and one more calculation, simplification. So we get root 3 minus 1 by root 2 plus iota root 3 plus 1 2 root 2. Now from this, if z2 is a z2 is shows the coordinate alpha comma beta. So z2 vectors obviously here alpha plus I beta. So that is from here we got alpha is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 2, and beta is equal to root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So now the area, so the now if after rotation the new vector formed, that is alpha I cap beta j cap, and the area we should found. So the area is now area is equal to we should calculate this area. So sorry, so this area, so this one is alpha and this is our beta. this is our beta. So we should calculate this area. So this area from the picture we say that is here area is equal to half of alpha into beta. So here we got alpha is equal to root 3 minus 1 by root 2 and beta is equal to root 3 plus 1 by, sorry, it is only root 2. So after calculation we get 3 minus 1 by it is 2 into 2, so it is half. So area is equal to half, and we reached, it is our required answer, and our option option 2 is our correct choice, half. So this is the whole solution of question 13. Now moving to question 14. So it is it is question 14. Serial wise solutions. So if n is equal to number of irrational term 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 5 to the power 1 by 8 whole 60, then n minus 1 is divisible by 4 options are given. So this is the question from the binomial theorem, in the house of binomial theorem. So at first the number of irrational terms of this function is given. This is number terms is this. So general term, in this case we should calculate general term. So general term is equal to TR plus 1. So TR plus 1 is equal to 60 CR 3 to the power 1 by 4, it is 3 to the power 1 by 4, 60 minus r into 5 to the power 1 by 8 whole r. So that is equal to 60 CR 3 to the power 15 into 3 to the power minus r by 4 into 5 to the power r by 8. Now if r is equal to r is multiple, if we should calculate r, then r is equal to multiple of 8. So here the number of rational terms is 0 multiple of 8, so it is 16 up to 60. So 16 dot up to 56. So this number is equal to 8. So number of terms is 8 here. So now this is the rational terms. So the irrational term, so therefore number of irrational term, so number of irrational term is equal to total term minus rational term. So total term is here this 60, so it is 61. Total term is 61 and rational number of rational terms is 8. So that is equal to 53 and it is our n. Therefore n is equal to total number of irrational terms is, so it is n. Now then n minus 1 is divisible by, so therefore n minus 1 is equal to 53 minus 1, that is equal to 52. So let's check our option. 7 is not divisible with 52, 8 is not divisible with 52, 36 is not divisible 52, but 26 is divisible with 52. So therefore 26 is divisible by 52 is divisible by 26. Therefore option we reached, and option 4 is our correct choice. So these are the two solutions of question 13 and 14. Any query, any question, you should just comment me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. That's all.